We are working with IXL 7Y5 number sequences, and we are going to work on finding which number is missing from the sequence. And as we know, number patterns are patterns in numbers where something is happening as the number changes. So let's start with these numbers here. We've got 55, 64, 73, blank, and then 91. So let's ask ourselves, what's happening between the first two numbers? We've got 55 and 64. Well, I know that the numbers are getting larger. So I'm just going to put like a plus sign right here on the left side to help me out to know that my numbers are getting larger. But by how much? I don't think they're multiplying, because if I was going to multiply 55 by any number, 55 times 2 would be 110, and that is clearly larger than 64, so I don't believe any multiplication is going on. I believe in this task we're just doing addition and subtraction. So just as a reminder, stick to addition and subtraction when you're doing this IXL task. So I'm at 55 and my number's getting larger. How much is it from 55 to 64? Take a moment. Okay, that is adding 9. Adding 9. Okay. Let's see if we can carry on that pattern to the next number. Is 64 plus 9 73? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So let's keep going with this pattern because I believe it is consistent. 73 plus 9 would be what number? That would be 82. Dun, dun, dun. And look, we have 82 as our answer right there. So the pattern, the rule for this sequence of numbers is plus 9, and the number that is missing from that sequence is 82. Very good. All right, let's do another one. In this set of numbers, we have 71, blank, 53, 44, 35, 26, and 17. Do you notice what I'm noticing about the numbers? Are they getting higher or getting smaller? They're getting smaller, so I'm going to put a little subtraction sign to help me out. So I don't know what is after 71, but I'm going to go over here to this long list of numbers. 53 down to 44. What would I subtract from 53 to 44? Take a moment and think about it. So from 53 to 44, we are subtracting 9. Let me write that down here. Take away 9. Let's see if that would work from 44 to 35. 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35. Hey, I think we found our pattern. So our pattern is subtract 9 every time. So now if I'm at 71 and I took 9 away, if I followed the pattern, what would my answer be? It would be 62. Very good, 62. Good job. Okay, we'll do one more together. In this pattern, we have got 2 missing numbers. Ooh, I think we can do it. We've got 100, blank, 86, 79, and 72. So let's start with what we know. I know that my numbers are going down again, so I have a subtraction mark right here. So 86 down to 79. What is that? How many am I subtracting? Well, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, 80, 79. It's 7. Take away 7. And then double check. 79 take away 7 is 72. So this is where we need to decide. 100 take away 7 is what? Tell me. 83. No, I'm sorry, 93. 93. And 72 take away 7 is 65. Very good. So that is what you will be doing with this IXL task. Good luck, and thank you for learning with me.